What's up, and welcome to episode 4 of Alex Eats. Today, we're going to make a holiday classic, the cinnamon roll. Here's the ingredients, and you can find this recipe at the link in the description. So first, we are going to make the dough. In a large bowl, mix the flour, the sugar, salt, and yeast together until evenly dispersed. Set it aside. In a small microwavable bowl, heat the water, milk, and butter together in the microwave until the butter is melted. This takes about 30 to 45 seconds. As you can see, I don't know how to melt butter. Probably should have mashed it into smaller pieces first. Looks like I didn't learn anything from AP Chem or Chem 110 dorm labs. Stir the butter mixture into the flour mixture. Add the egg. Oh yeah, look at that one-handed crack. And knead with hand until the dough is no longer sticky. Place it aside. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. This is going to help the dough rise very fast. Now to make the filling. After the dough has rested, roll it out. Now spread the softened butter on top. Once again, it appears I don't know how to melt butter. Mix together the cinnamon and sugar and sprinkle it all over the dough. Now you can begin rolling the dough into one large, tight piece. Then you're ready to begin cutting. Yup, my knifing skills could use some work. Turn off the oven and place the cinnamon rolls in the oven to rise for 20 minutes. Once you've done that, keep the buns in the oven and turn on the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cinnamon rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. For the glaze, you're going to want sugar, vanilla, and milk, but I obviously failed over here. And there you have it, cinnamon rolls. That's it for this one. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.